On screen, where do Northern European country names come from? Visual, Europe map zoom to Northern Europe, clean typography, flags grid. Have you ever wondered what a country name really means? In Northern Europe, many names come from peoples, directions, and old geography words. Today we will explain 8 names in one clear, simple video. On screen, today's list, Nordics plus Baltics. Visual, list animation plus map labels. Our list is Denmark, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Iceland, Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania. Quick note, name origins can be debated. So we will share one widely cited explanation when needed. And we will keep the tone neutral. On screen, endonym versus exonym. Visual, local name versus outside name. One helpful idea, an endonym is the local name people use in their own language. An exonym is the name used by other languages. Sometimes they match. Sometimes they do not. This matters a lot in Europe. On screen, Denmark. Visual, Denmark highlight plus Danish flag plus coastline. Denmark is often explained as a name tied to the Danes. One widely cited idea is that it combines Danes with an old word like mark, linked to a border area or region. In simple terms, it is often read as the land of the Danes. On screen, Norway. Visual, Norway highlight plus fjords plus Norwegian flag. Norway has a strong geographic feel. One widely cited explanation links it to Old Norse words meaning north way or northern route. It fits the coastline culture. Travel by sea. And a route along the north. On screen, Sweden. Visual, Sweden highlight plus Swedish flag plus forest/lakes. Sweden is tied to an older people name. A widely cited explanation connects it to the Swedes, a historic group in the region. You may also hear the idea of the realm of the Swedes. A people name that became a country name. On screen, Finland. Visual, Finland highlight plus Finnish flag plus winter landscape. Finland's name has more than one explanation. One widely cited view is simple, Finn plus land. But the deeper meaning of Finn can be debated across sources. So it is safest to say this, the name points to a people label, plus land. On screen, Iceland. Visual, Iceland highlight plus glaciers plus Icelandic flag. Iceland is one of the most direct names in Europe. It is commonly explained as Iceland. Early settlers used a descriptive name for the landscape. Cold. Ice. And a clear label that stuck. On screen, Estonia. Visual, Estonia highlight plus Tallinn skyline plus Estonian flag. Estonia is also discussed in different ways. One widely cited explanation links the name to older regional labels used in medieval sources. The local name Eesti is central here. The key idea is that an old regional name evolved into the modern country name. On screen, Latvia. Visual, Latvia highlight plus Riga skyline plus Latvian flag. Latvia is often linked to older group names in the region. A widely cited explanation connects it to the Latgalians, a historic group, and related regional terms. Over time, that label became the modern country name. On screen, Lithuania. Visual, Lithuania highlight plus Vilnius plus Lithuanian flag. Lithuania is another name with debated details. One widely cited idea links it to the local name Lietuva, and some sources connect it to older geographic or regional terms. The safest summary is simple, an older local label became the country name used internationally. On screen, what these names have in common. Visual, clean infographic icons, people/direction/geography. Now let's step back. These 8 names show 3 big patterns. First, people or group names become country names. Second, direction and routes shape names, like Northway. Third, simple geography words describe the land, like Iceland. On screen, quick quiz. Visual, quiz cards. Quick quiz. Which name is basically a geographic description? Iceland. Which one is often explained as Northway or Northern Route? Norway. If you got both, you are learning fast. On screen, closing. Visual, flags montage plus Northern Europe map zoom out. Country names are short history lessons. They carry identity, geography, and memory. If you want more, tell me the next region to cover in Europe. That's the story behind the names.